Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I just got this Ninja Foodi Possible Cooker Pro from the TikTok shop. So let's go ahead and unbox it together. I've been waiting to unbox it so that I could record for you guys. I just haven't had the time. Okay, so this is yet another gigantic kitchen gadget. Let's see what all it comes with. It comes with a spoon. So we're going to put all this. It comes with Safety and Ninja Foodi cookbook. I do like that all the Ninja products come with the cooking instructions in a nice little book and also like cooking ideas. All right, here's the lid. Taped on there. All right, we've got the lid. Okay, there we go. All right, let's get this unboxed. So this thing does a ton of stuff from what I've been reading. I'm really excited. It's supposed to be able to also replace your slow cooker, which I really do like the slow cooker I have, but we'll see. Let me look real fast. It's supposed to do 14 things. It replaces 14 appliances: slow cooker, steam oven, food warmer, non-stick pot, saute pan, cast iron skillet, saucier, I don't even know what that is, steamer, saucepan, stock pot, Dutch oven, roasting pan, bread maker, and then integrated spoon. Oven safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, easy to clean, non-stick. So apparently it can make chili for up to 20 people in here. It's just me and the 2 kids, so I don't think I'm gonna need to be making that much food. But, all right, here we go. So here is the main compartment, and then this is the pot that sits in on it. Let's see, it has the on button, temperature, time, start and stop, and then all the different settings. So let's plug it in. Obviously I haven't washed it, but just so we can see how it looks. Let me plug it into the side here. All right, I might need to scoot y'all back on the camera. Let's see. There we go. Let's see. Before the first use, remove the packaging, did that. Remove accessories, did that. Wash it, haven't done that, but I'll do that in a minute. And then turning on, we recommend turning the unit on and running for 10 minutes without food. Make sure the area is well ventilated, removing any package or residue. Oh, we can do that. So let's turn it on. And so it doesn't say on what temperature. So right now it's on slow cook. We can just run it on bake maybe for 10 minutes. So it looks like the dial is just what you do to turn it and change the settings. So it has slow cook, cook your food at a lower temperature for a long time, sauteing, browning meat, sauteing vegetables, simmering sauces, braising. Oh, it has sous vide on here? Okay, well, it shows you how to use each of the different settings here and then how to clean it. And then let's go ahead and look at the Foodi Possible Cooker Pro little cooking guide here. Saute to perfection, slow cooker, sear and saute, steam, keep warm. It says sous vide and braise, but I don't even see that as an option. Oh, there's the braise. Oh, there's the sous vide. I'm blind. There's the sous vide right there. Oh, interesting. It says you can also buy silicone mitts, steam and roasting rack, and a Ninja travel bag. Getting started, just press the power button, temperature, the dial, start and stop, arrows. Okay, oh, and then it does say that these handles do get hot, and this also gets hot. So it's not like a crock pot where these things stay cold or cooler to the touch. You have to use mittens to get those. We got an egg frittata with hash browns and bacon, oatmeal, minestrone soup, so lots of different things. I bought all these chicken thighs on sale at H-E-B this weekend, so I'm actually going to test out the sear and then bake function. So I'm going to sear them in the pot and then bake them. So that'll be like my first thing that I do, and so I'll be able to give a real review of that. Okay, I can already feel this getting hot. All right, let me know what you guys want to see next with this Ninja Foodi Possible Cooker Pro. This is just the unboxing video. It looks really nice, but I feel like I'm getting a lot of appliances. I have this, I have my air fryer back there, my kettle, my Keurig. Like, I got all the things. So let me know what you guys want to see next. If you guys like this unboxing video, be sure to give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll catch y'all next time. Bye.